In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable dark theme on WhatsApp. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up my WhatsApp, and then once you've done that, you will be on this screen here, which is like the homepage of WhatsApp where all your messages will be. And from here, what you can do is click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. And then once you've clicked on that, from the drop down menu, as you can see, there's an option there for settings. Go ahead and click on that. And then once you've done that, what you can do is click on chats. And then once you've clicked on chats, as you can see there at the top, there's an option there for theme. Go ahead, click on that. And then once you've clicked on that, as you can see, there's a couple of options here. So the system default, light and dark. So if you want to go ahead and enable dark theme, all you can do is click on that and then click OK. And then what that will do is it will make your WhatsApp the dark theme. And it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.